Yeah, I have a pigeon on my window. I can't dare move. Behind the frying pan. It's a close-up. But you can see his wings, his feet. Oh, he spooked. You see that? And his beak is there, look. I think he's looking at my hand. He can see my right hand a bit. So if I move around here, you can't see me, he can't see me. So I don't think this is very good footage, really, is it? If you can't see it. So I'm going to try and move around slowly, 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 slowly. Look at him looking. So he's got those feathers on his neck. Oh, there he is. I guess he could see me. I don't know if that's getting washed out with the light, the bright light behind. Because there's the building behind. Try to focus on here. He's sitting around, he must be bloody hungry to stay around. Well, this is the first time I got a close-up of the pigeon. Hope you like it. I think if I move any more, he's going to fly away. But I should get a flying away shot, I guess, I suppose. Let's get a flying away shot, shall we? Would you believe it? He's not going to fly away. I don't want to scare him because he'll want to come back. But anyway, he doesn't want to fly away. Would you believe it? Come on, birdie. Give us a show. We get all the angles. Okay, I'm going to end now because my arms are hurting. I can't hold this any further. Let's get a headshot to end on a good note. Hello, birdie. How are you? Thanks for coming. Say hello to my audience.